In this video tutorial series, we'll have a look how to go about creating an online e-commerce site. We are going to use a software that's called PrestaShop. Now PrestaShop has been written in PHP and it's actually based on the Smarty template engine. The good thing about it, it's actually open source, which actually means it's free to use. Today there is around 200,000 e-commerce online shops built using PrestaShop software, which is actually around 0.5% of all the websites available on the internet. Basically, PrestaShop is quite easy to download and install. It's quite easy to actually use, and basically it offers a lot of tools which you can use to actually create your online e-commerce site. This video tutorial series had been designed for both the beginners and for the more advanced users who have actually been using CMS before. Basically what we'll do is we'll go through the download and installation process, then we'll actually set up the website, and then we'll have a look at some of the products, categories, attributes. We'll have a look how to go about setting the payment methods, shippings, promotions, customizing, and actually changing themes and everything else. The first step that we're going to do in the video following this one is that we're going to download PrestaShop software from their webpage, and basically this is their webpage right here. So let's have a look what's available here. Right at the top, the menu, it gives options to features, learn, community, blog, and search. Okay, if you click on features, and I strongly recommend you do this and go through all of the features available here, you'll be sure that PrestaShop is something for you. So go through all this, read, make sure you know what PrestaShop is, and if you're happy with that, then go ahead and download it, which I'm going to do in the next video tutorial. Just bear in mind that this is templates. There's also the store builder section, shopping cart, mobile, e-marketing, international integrations, and compare. Okay, so this is all the features that are available within the PrestaShop, and I once again strongly recommend you go ahead and you read through all of this. It will give you a good insight into the PrestaShop and what it can actually offer. Going back to the main page, if I scroll down, I'll find the live demo, and basically what this means, if I click on this particular screen here, or if I follow this link, it will actually take me through a tour which is going to show some more features of PrestaShop in more animated way. Okay, moving down, we'll come to the showcase. So all of these pages have actually been built using PrestaShop software, and basically you can open the link and have a look what this particular page looks like. Moving a bit more down, we'll come to the community, and once you have actually registered with PrestaShop and you have actually logged in, you can participate in an online conversation with more than 800,000 members, and that's actually done in the community section of their webpage. Moving a bit more down, we'll come to the training, and basically this is where you can get a few more tips and tricks and methods and how to actually go about building your e-commerce online store. And if you move a bit more down, you'll come to the expert support which PrestaShop software offers you, and basically here you will be talking to some of the experts from PrestaShop, and they'll be able to help you because they actually have the knowledge of how to when it comes to PrestaShop. Down the bottom you'll find some links to actually PrestaShop agencies. At the footer you'll find most visited links, you'll find the resources, you'll find the partners company, and the blog here as well. Okay, here you'll find trainings, modules, themes, getting started, switch to PrestaShop, newsletter, documentation, and status. And once you actually begin installing PrestaShop, you can actually sign up for a newsletter which will actually give you some updates as well. Okay, so this is a short introduction into PrestaShop. So like I've said, in the next video tutorial we'll go ahead, we are going to download and install PrestaShop on our server.